just caught out.
All right. What are we doing?
We're opening our package.
Where is it from?
Gardenio.
Yeah.
So I got this for Mother's Day for Rachel, but I'm pretty sure this is not me.
Live plants handled with care.
All right, let's open it up.
Wow. That scissors kit out.
Yeah, what do you think's in there, buddy?
It's a present, though.
It's a present?
Yeah.
All right, are you calling mommy? Whoa. Wow. Okay, let's look at what this is. Hey, what does it say? Welcome to the club. All right, so we got our great sticker that will go on the laptop. Woo. And some instructions, and it looks like we have basil, sage, and I ain't got no time. What time is it?
It's time for open the package.
Woo. All right, so what do we have now? Soil. Okay, so we have one bag of soil. Nice little handwritten note. Thanks for the support. Another bag of soil. 2 bags of soil.
That one's for the thyme and that one's for the basil.
3 bags of, oh yeah, it says 4 basil, 4 thyme, 4 sage. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, mulch for the basil.
Little planter bottoms.
Oh yeah, some mulch for sage, mulch for thyme. All right, here are all the planters. Now these, they're biodegradable, so they're made from rice hulls. Kind of cool. Feels like plastic, pretty durable.
Show the camera.
All right, enough of that. Weird with the Blackstones. Now, for the ultimate. Now, you gotta see this. They're all individually packaged in here. Pretty nifty, I'd say.
You do it tomorrow.
We can plant these tomorrow. Now, so they're in their each little box, and they ship pretty well. Not bad. They made it. They're all certified organic. Whoa! Wow.
Please.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
All right.
We can plan it later.
Mm-hmm.
Where's Violet and Henry?
So is this so this is it's like is this purple basil? It's really cool. All right, so this is definitely the sage. That's definitely thyme.
Let's try
Yep.
it. I want to try it.
Yeah, oh man, that's for sure basil. Oh.
That's good.
All right, so we got some work to do. We'll plant these up. Maybe send some pictures.
I reached it.
You want to say bye?
Thanks, honey.
Bye.
I love my Mother's Day
All
present.
right, love you, babe. All right, happy Mother's Day to me. Say bye.